morning to all. In this session, I want to give you a model describing process. Look at that. Write a process of preparing a lemonade or lemon water. In your examination, you are giving a question like this. Is it clear? Write a process of preparing a lemonade or lemon water. Lemonade, nothing but lemon water. Is it clear? Now you have to write in your examination like this. So in describing process, we have two side headings. We have to write two side headings. In your material or a textbook, you are given only this one, in a sentence wise. But you don't write in a sentence wise. You have to write in a paragraph wise. Okay. So to give result, if you write two side headings, it appears like a lot, so that the examiner will not hesitate to give full marks like 4.5. If you write only these four lines or 5 lines, he doesn't want to give a full marks because it seems a short paragraph. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? So to pacify the examiner or to look it is a long or lengthy paragraph, or to satisfy the examiner by writing by appearing it is a lot or a lengthy one. So we have to write two side heading. One is the required material and the one is process. In the required material, you have to write the things in a one by one. Is it clear? So to prepare lemonade, we need a fresh or conditioned lemon. Next one, squeezer. Squeezer means, so it is one kind of instrument to squeeze the slices of lemon. Next one, a mug. You can take mug or you can take one glass, small glass. Next one, chilled water, cool water. Next one, sugar. Next one, sugar. Or you can take, in place of sugar, you can take salt also, no problem. Or mix salt and sugar you can take. Okay, these are the required materials to prepare lemonade. Next one glass also, small glass. So these are the required materials. So to write required materials, it occupies how many lines? 6 lines. Half of the page. 6 lines, nothing but half of the page, or 15% of the page. Now process. Second side heading, what is it? Process. In that process, don't write in a point wise. One like required material. You have to write in a paragraph. 2 paragraphs or 1 paragraph, no problem. See, at first take a fresh lemon, same thing. At first what should we do? Take a fresh or conditioned lemon. Next, and cut it. At first take a fresh lemon and cut it to equal halves. Cut it into 2 equal halves or 2 equal slices. To cut it into 2 equal halves, nothing but half, 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 it's plural, HALPES, halves, or 2 slices. This is the one. And next one, and then. At first, it shows these words show sequence or order. At first means this is the first activity, and then means this is the second activity, and then squeeze the slices, nothing but 2 equal halves in a squeezer or with a spacer properly. In a squeezer it is one kind of equipment or instrument or a machine. Okay, in a spacer and next this is the another step, that is the another step, and then next collect the juice in a mug. You get some kind of a juice from what is that, 2 slices of lemon. You have to collect 2 slices of lemon from the squeezer, the juice of what is that, 2 slices of lemon, what is that, from the what is the squeezer in a mug or in a glass. Finally, after collecting what is the juice in a mug, finally add a chilled water. Chilled water means cool water or ice. I choose. I finally add chilled water and sugar to the juice. Sugar to the juice which is in the mug. And okay, add chilled water, and what will happen? Stir it properly. Stir means just we can exchange the juice from mug to what is the glass. We have to stir it. Until sugar dissolves in it. Until sugar dissolves. Dissolves means sugar is a substance. So you have to stir it until what is that? It forms. It changes its form. Changes into form. Nothing but until it dissolves in a juice. At last, what will happen? A chilled lemonade is ready. At last, what will happen? A chilled lemonade is ready to have and to refresh. And to enjoy it. So this is the process. This is the describing process. If you write like this, you will be given 4 or 4.5. And you can write what is that pictures also. What is that? Suppose it is one glass. Okay. So in this glass, what is that? Lemonade is there, and a person is ready to take. So any kind of you can write picture, or you can write what is that one boy. You can draw a boy who is having what is that lemonade, or you can see you can show the squeezes, or you can what is that you can see you can draw a small mug. So you don't have so much time to draw all these things. So you can write only what is the process enough. Is it clear? This is the model for describing process. A model for a describing process. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.